Welcome, guys. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage out here driving cars at the auction, and I just could not pass this rig up, man. This is a rare bird. At least I think it's rare. You Jeep guys tell me. I don't know. I don't do Jeeps. I'm not a Jeep guy. This is an Overland Edition Rubicon. What? No. Gladiator. He's Gladiator. But get this, y'all. It's a diesel. Yes, sir. 27,000 miles. Diesel. What the hell, man? Averaging 22.5 miles per gallon. Golly, these things are, they must be just heavy ass rigs. I mean, because that seems kind of low if you ask me. But I mean, these are a pretty big rig, you know. That back seat's looking pretty decent. It's long. I don't know if you've checked out a Gladiator closely, but it's a pretty long little rig. Listen to that clatter. It sounds just like a damn Power Stroke or Cummins. Listen. I love it. This is great, y'all. This thing's gonna bring 60 grand tomorrow. 50 something at least. I mean, to be a 2021 and have 27,000 miles, somebody was really driving it, you know? I wonder if they were having any difficulty out of it, like was the motor troublesome, is why they traded? Or if they just decided they didn't like diesel. Oh my God. Wow. Torquey little joker, man. There was just a 1 second delay from, you know, when I hit the pedal, just a slight delay. But then it instantly boosted up. Wow, that was cool. I mean, it's got that that diesel chatter. Wow. That is great. I like it, man. But dude, I don't fit in this thing. My knees are banging into everything, dude. How does anybody drive one of these shitting ass things? I do love the big rig sound, though. That is pretty damn addictive. You know, me being an old Mercedes diesel guy, I'm digging that, man. Digging it. They didn't put any off-road tires on it. It's definitely got the street tires on it. I mean, they're Bridgestone dualers, but these are more made for highway than anything. Somebody just wanted the look, but is doing some commuting. Got a bullet liner in it. There's all the Jeep plastic mats. Pretty cool, man. Where's the exhaust? Eco Diesel. Yeah, this is a pretty neat rig. Man, that's hard for a 6-footer like me to get in and out of there. Tight. This would definitely, good God, I can't even get in the driver's seat. This is definitely have to be like a third vehicle, recreational. Man, it's got the heated steering wheel. It's got all the goodies. Climate, I want it to my face only. Yes, recirculate, max CC, there we go. I do like Dodge's infotainment. They do a good job on their infotainment. What a cool rig. Sorry, didn't put my seatbelt back on. You know what? This thing takes the bumps pretty well, though. It's that long wheelbase, I guess. Takes the bumps really nice. Really surprised. Uh-oh, someone's driving my Jeep Liberty over there. Back up, buddy. What a cool rig. Be anxious to see what she brings tomorrow, folks. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.